Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from SahimTech, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get video filters or video effects in Zoom. Now I'm not talking about the default video filters that are there in Zoom, which are pretty boring by now, but when it was first released it was really exciting, but now it's really boring because it's the same video filters and there haven't been any update. Just one or two video filters were added and that's all. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get even more cool, funny video filters or video effects. So let's get started. So first let me just start a quick meeting and let me show you the video filters that are already there in Zoom. So I'm here in a Zoom meeting. I'm just click on the arrow and then click on video filters. Now here you can see these are the default video filters that Zoom has given us for free. And also here we have studio effects where we can add studio effects. Now that's all we have, so I'll be sharing with you how to get even more video filters and video effects. So first of all, we'll be installing a software called ManyCam, which is a free software, but it has a watermark in the free version. But if you don't want the watermark, you can buy the paid version. So let me just type in ManyCam, hit enter, and then click on download, the download link for ManyCam. I'll put the link in the description also. You can click on that too. So let me click on download for Windows. Now here if you want to see the system requirements, you can even see the system requirements by going back and clicking on this. Again, the link to this is also there in the description. And here in the pricing section you can see the prices if you want to buy ManyCam without the watermark. Now the standard version you get HD video quality, 4 video resources and just 1 device. But in the studio version you can put up to 2 devices, and in the premium version up to 4K video quality, 24 video resources and 3 devices. And also you can see the things which the premium has, what the studio doesn't, and what also standard has but what it doesn't. You can just check out here. The link to this is also there in the description. Now while this is downloading, let's download YouCam, which is another software, but it is a completely paid software, but it has a 30-day free trial. So once that trial ends, you won't be able to use YouCam and its filters and video effects. You'll have to buy for it. So let's just download it. YouCam. Now this is the link, cyberlink.com. Over here you can see free download. So I'm downloading YouCam. So now that both of them has downloaded, let me just close Google and head over to Windows Explorer, downloads, and we have both the links. Both of these installers have downloaded. So first let's install ManyCam setup. Now the security warning has popped up, but it's not showing you the recording, but just do as directed. Just type in the password if you're not the administrator, or just type in yes if you are the administrator. Okay, just click on I accept the terms, those privacy policy and terms, which comes in every software. Now it says ManyCam was successfully installed. Let me just click on finish. And now I've plugged in my camera, and now just wait for ManyCam to start up on your screen. Now here you can see ManyCam has opened up on my screen and they have already detected my camera. And I've installed ManyCam earlier, so that's why it's showing up my name, which I had put earlier. So let it be just like that. Okay, so let's go through the features here. But first let's connect it to Zoom. So how do you do that? Just minimize and just quickly start a new meeting. And right now you can see that my camera, the camera that is there in ManyCam, is right now showing up in my Zoom meeting. Now if it's not showing for you, just click on the small arrow right here and then click on video settings. Now here in the camera option, just click on the drop down and find ManyCam virtual webcam. So once you click on that, ManyCam's camera will pop up on your screen. If it doesn't, just check again. If it is in this one, it will show your default webcam, which is this boring one. But if you click on ManyCam virtual webcam, it will open up ManyCam's virtual background webcam. Now let's go through the different features that ManyCam have, and then we'll go to YouCam. So now after you've installed ManyCam, and if it doesn't show your camera, right click and then select the camera from the top. Mine is already selected, which is USB 2.0 camera, so it's showing up right here. So let me just switch off my video in Zoom, and then now let's go through these settings. Now here in the animals folder, you can add animals to your screen. Like I've put a dino right now. There's a dinosaur on my screen. It's really cool. You can even remove that layer if you want, or you can just keep it if you like it. So if you click on the dino again, it will go away. So it's really cool. So if I go back, and then if I try selecting lower third, you can add different lower thirds. For me, it's not showing, but you can even add lower thirds from here. So let's say you want to add a new lower third, and you're going to put it like this. You can change the title and the subtitle, select the type of design, and switch this button on so that it shows up the animation of that lower third. It's pretty cool. You can even draw on your screen. Like for example, here you can add text. This is the SahimTech thingy, which is right now going on my screen, flashing from left to right and then again in a loop. So it's also really cool. So you can just play around with these effects that are there, like adding apples to your screen and a lot more. So even if you're a teacher, you can use these letters of ABC letters. So now let me just close this, and now even if I start my video again, it's still showing up even if you close ManyCam, because if I open up my task manager, once I've opened up my task manager, now if I go down, you can see ManyCam virtual webcam is right now running in the background. So if you want to end task, you can just click on that and then click on end task, but I'm just going to keep it. So now that we've installed YouCam, let's install, now that we've installed ManyCam, we're going to install YouCam. So let me just go to download, and here we have the Cyberlink YouCam installer or downloader. Just click on that. Now here it says that it's preparing, you're downloading. Just wait for it to download the files. Now just click on start. Now right now it's preparing the files to download, and then it'll start installing. Now you can see that it says that it'll install again. Now the earlier process was that it was downloading, but now it's gonna install. So let me just click on install now. Now it's asking for me that security warning thingy where you have to type in the administrator password. Just click on yes. Now here click on accept and install. Okay, so right now it has installed YouCam 9. So let me just minimize this window, and then you can see Cyberlink YouCam 9 has installed on my PC. So let me just click on launch YouCam. Just wait for it to launch up, and now it says that you can buy the now you can see here it says 27 days left. Actually it is 30 days, but I had installed YouCam like 3 days ago, so that's why it says 27 days left. So maybe they're knowing that I'd installed it earlier, so even if you uninstall and reinstall, it still shows up the free trial and it still counts up. So maybe they still know that you had installed it earlier. So if you don't want the 30 days free trial, then you can just buy it or you can just launch the free version and use it for 30 days and forget about it. So let me just click on launch free version for now. Now over here you can see 𝗁𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃 YouCam 9 software has launched up, and you can see my face showing up right here. So let me just maximize the screen. Okay, so here at the right side, let me just keep my zoom minimized for a while. Now here you can put yourself in a hologram. If I click on this, you'll see my face is in a hologram, but it's like more like in a, you know, like alien tick. And here you can put yourself in boards, video boards, and also put yourself in mirrors. So there's a mirror right side and one at the left. It's like I'm in a box of mirror. It's really cool. You can put yourself in a photo frame like this, or in a window like this, and also in a window of a huge, small, tiny living room. So it's really awesome. So you can just check out all of these cool, you know, two scenes. Now here on the right side, in the frames tab, you can add different frames to your face. Now this is a normal frame. So is this. You can just check out all these frames that are right here. Now this is an animated frame. Now this is also an animated frame, and so is this. There's a lot of animated and unanimated frames which you can try out. Now in the emojis panel, you can just put any emojis. Like in Zoom, normally we have this reactions normal emoji, but if you want something animated, like in WebEx you can just click this, and then a thumbs up will pop up on the screen. So is this screaming like someone is not listening or something is really loud, and you just put this face and it comes up on your screen. It's really cool, right? Like this also, and a lot more. There's something issue with my graphics card, so it's disabled. So these are not really pretty much doing an effect on my face. But if your graphics card is the latest version, you can just try them out. Now over here, you can just put filters to your face. You can put some cards flying out on your screen, or even your head bursting out, like inflaming, or smoke coming out of your ears. This is my most favorite, like smoke coming out of my ear. Now in the distortion panel, you can add distortions to your face like this. Like you're speeding out and your face is only showing up. You just go forward, or make your face swirl off like this. Really weird. Now let's put it onto Zoom. So now I'm in my meeting back again. Now here, just go back to your video settings. Switch off my video settings. Now here I'm in my ManyCam virtual webcam. So now if you click on the drop down, you can see we have USB 2.0 camera, which is my default webcam. And in the bottom, you'll find a new webcam called Cyberlink YouCam 9. If you click on that, what is there in YouCam is also showing up here. Let me just maximize, switch on my video, and right now once you select YouCam Cyberlink camera, it'll show up a panel for Cyberlink in the right side. So when you're in a meeting, you can just head quickly over here, just click on scenes, and then quickly put yourself in a hologram, and everyone in the meeting will be shocked. You can put yourself in a scientific, cool looking, you know, something. Oh, it says USB by something at the bottom. It's really cool. Put yourself in this also, which is another, no, it's the same thing, I guess. Yeah. Can you put yourself in something like this, or put yourself in a sitting room like this where there's a cat watching you? Really epic. Now you can just check all of these out, and this one is also there, like I'm in a Rubik's Cube. It's super cool. Now if you thought of installing more of these, you can just click on the download button right here, and it'll open up Google or any other default browser you use, and then you can download even more effects to your Cyberlink YouCam software. So now here you can install this one, kaleidoscope and rectangles and 3D projection, which I already have. And I had installed spaceship, but I hadn't installed space, but you could install that. Or this event by just clicking on it and then clicking on download. just first of all, before downloading, you just have to sign in over here by just creating a Cyberlink account. So just click on sign up, and then add your date of birth, password, and all those stuff before signing up, and then you can use Cyberlink for free. I mean, sorry, not for free. You can download those effects packs for free. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I showed you how to get two kind of software and different effects other than the ones in Zoom. So let me just put up ManyCam. So let me just go back to my task manager and then scroll down and end task all of these Cyberlink and ManyCam services, because so that it doesn't work in the background. And right now you can see it's still showing up Cyberlink, YouCam, ManyCam, virtual webcam, and all of these webcams. So if you uninstall it, then all of the webcams over here won't show up, so it will go away. So you can now, like I said, I've put the link to all of these in the description. Make sure you like this video if find this helpful, and if you have any queries, fill out the form, which is the SahimTech query and suggestion form. And also a huge shout out to Clayton for suggesting this video in my query and suggestion form, and also in a comment section of one of my videos. So guys, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.